Aloha. To all the Palagi out there, we want to thank you if you have embraced the Samoan language and culture by learning the Samoan language and culture. You could have done this lots of different ways. You could have taken a class, you could have followed our Instagram account, you could have even spent some time in Samoa living there or serving a mission. However way you have learned your Samoan language and about our Samoan culture. Thank you so much for embracing that. We love seeing people learn about us and learning and showing us that they respect us enough to learn about our culture. We also hope that you respect us enough to not culturally appropriate our language and culture. So if you're a Palangi person and you know how to speak Samoan and you know a lot about our culture, maybe you shouldn't be using Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, however, or even a business to be an influencer and base it completely on Samoan language and culture. I believe you have your own language and your own culture that you can use and that you can share with others so that they can learn more about you. But for us Samoans, please leave our Samoan language and culture to Samoans. So don't start a business that sells Samoan books. Don't be an influencer that focuses completely on Samoan language or Samoan humor. Yes, please stop that. Mostly because when you do that and you use your platform, whatever it may be, to teach Samoan language and culture, you're taking away an opportunity for an actual Samoan to share their language and culture. So I'd like to ask a question. What's the difference between a Palangi learning Samoan and a Samoan raised in Australia not knowing any of the language and culture learning Samoan? The difference is a Samoan actually has Samoan blood running through their veins. Palangi does not. That gives them the bloodline gives them the right to share their language and to share their culture. Visiting a country does not give you that right. Having Samoan friends does not give you that right. Marrying a Samoan does not give you that right. It gives you the right to embrace the culture and to feel the love and the passion that you have for it. But it does not give you the right to make money from it. It does not give you the right to take the space of a Samoan over a Palangi. And yes, so if you're a Palangi and you love Samoan language and culture, continue loving the Samoan language and culture. Just make sure that you give up the space to Samoans to teach, to speak about, and to share. Because when you take away that voice, it's like you're colonizing us all over again. And yes, thank you. Have a great day.